to our channel. My name is David. You're watching Adventures of David and Aaron, and today is Vlogmas Day 17. So today we're going to teach you how to make a simple and fun Jello dessert. So for this project, you're going to need a 6-ounce box of your favorite Jello. We are using black cherry, a mixing bowl, a whisk, a can of Reddi whipped cream, or you can use a container of Cool Whip, and a measuring container. So the first thing you're going to do is boil 2 cups of water. So you're going to take your water off the stove, measure out 2 cups. 2 hot cups of boiling water. Perfect. So you have your 2 cups of hot boiling water poured in the bowl. Mix in your Jello. You're going to have pre-measured already another 2 cups of water, cold water. You're going to whisk the Jello so it dissolves. Make sure all the Jello at the bottom of the bowl is dissolved so it's not clumping together. Then you're going to add 2 cups of water. Before you add the water, you can do it either before or after. You're going to add Cool Whip. Like so. Mix it up to where it's dissolved like this. Add the 2 cups of cold water. There you go. Mix it up. After you get it all mixed up, place it in the refrigerator, let it sit for 1 hour for it to chill. Okay, that should be good enough. This is what it should look like after you have mixed it. Then you're going to place it in the refrigerator. Alright everyone, so after you've placed the Jello into the refrigerator, let it sit in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. Let it thicken up and harden, and you will have a nice Jello whipped cream dessert to share with your friends, family, kids or grandkids. It's a lot of fun to make and a lot of fun to eat. Hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 17. Join us tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 18. Follow us on Instagram at Adventures of David and Aaron, and you can follow us on Twitter at Adventures of DNA. And remember everyone, until our next video, enjoy life, make it an adventure.